Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about unit cell and crystal lattice. In the previous video, you have discussed about crystalline and amorphous solids. Now, in case of crystalline solids, the constituent particles are arranged in a regular and repeating pattern in a 3D space. This form a crystal lattice. Now, how will you define crystal lattice? A regular 3D arrangement of the points in space is called crystal lattice. Now, question is, what do you mean by points? Here, point represent particles of the crystal lattice. Particles means in case of NaCl, the constituent particle is Na plus and Cl negative. And in case of diamond and graphite, the constituent particles are carbon, while in case of ice, the constituent particle is H2O. So the constituent particle can be ion, atom or molecule, and these points represent constituent particle. If these particles are arranged in a 3D space in systematic manner, we will get the crystal lattice. Till now, there are 14 types of 3D lattices called Bravais lattices. So, now next is what are the characteristics of crystal lattice? Each point in a lattice is called lattice point or lattice site. These are known as lattice point, or you can say they are lattice site. Second, each point represents constituent particle. These points, which are known as lattice point or lattice site, they are actually the constituent particle. Like in case of NaCl, it can be Na plus or Cl negative. Third, lattice points are joined by a straight line to bring out the geometry. So these lattice points, they are joined by this straight line, and it shows us the geometry of the crystal lattice. For example, in case of this, the entire crystal lattice looks like a cube. So this is the geometry of the crystal lattice. Now, next topic is what is unit cell? It is the smallest portion of the crystal lattice which when repeated in different direction give crystal lattice. ये crystal lattice का वो छोटा सा part है जिसको हम repeat करते हैं तो हमें एक entire lattice मिलता है. For example, in this diagram, this is a crystal lattice and this is the smallest part which is repeating again and again. This smallest part is known as unit cell. Now, what are the characteristics of unit cell? Unit cell are characterized by 6 parameters. First, its dimension along the 3 edges. They are known as edge length. They are denoted by ABC. Along the x-axis, it is A, and along the y-axis, it is B, and along the z-axis, it is C. Second parameters are angle between these edges. They are denoted by alpha, beta, and gamma. Angle between A and B is gamma. Between B and C is alpha, and between A and C, that is beta. So these are the 6 parameters of the unit cell. Now, next topic is types of unit cell. Unit cell can be divided into 2 categories, primitive and centered unit cell. First, we will discuss about the primitive unit cell. When the constituent particles are present only at the corner of a unit cell, it is called primitive unit cell. जैसा कि इस फिगर में दिख रहा है, अगर हम सिर्फ पार्टिकल्स को कॉर्नर पर रखें, जैसे कि क्यूब में कितने कॉर्नर हैं, 8 कॉर्नर्स हैं, तो हमने सभी कॉर्नर्स पर एक पार्टिकल्स को रखा है, तो इस यूनिट सेल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्रिमिटिव यूनिट सेल. Second type of unit cell is known as centered unit cell. When constituent particles are present at positions other than corner in addition to those at corners. अगर corner के साथ साथ हम particles को center पे रखें, वो center face का भी हो सकता है, वो center edge का भी हो सकता है, और वो center body का भी हो सकता है, तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Centered unit cell. Now, on the basis of this location, centered unit cell has been categorized into 3 categories. First is body centered unit cell. when constituent particles are present at its body center and addition to those at corners. अगर particles को हम corner के साथ साथ body के center में भी locate करते हैं तो हम इस tube को क्या बोलेंगे? Body centered unit cell. Second type of unit cell is face centered unit cell. When constituent particles are present at the center of each face in addition to those at corners. अगर हम corners के साथ साथ particle को face के center पे भी रखें तो हम इसको बोलते हैं face centered unit cell. जैसा कि इस क्यूब में दिख रहा है 8 corners हैं और इसमें 6 क्या है? faces. तो हमने हर face के center पे particle को रखा है, इसे हम बोलेंगे face centered unit cell. Third type of unit cell is end-centered unit cell. When constituent particles are present at the center of any two opposite faces, in addition to those present at the corners. अगर हम particles को corners के साथ साथ किन्हीं दो opposite faces के center पर रखते हैं, तो हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे? End-centered unit cell. Now, unit cell has been divided into 7 categories on the basis of these 6 parameters A, B, C, and alpha, beta, gamma. First type of unit cell is known as cubic unit cell. It has 3 variations. Primitive means particle at the corner only. Body centered means particle at the corner along with the body center. Third category is face centered means particle at the corner along with the center of each face. In case of cube, A is equal to B is equal to C and alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Second type of unit cell is known as tetragonal. Tetragonal has 2 types of variation, primitive and body centered. Here A is equal to B but not equal to C, but alpha, beta, gamma is equal to 90 degree. Third type of unit cell is orthorhombic. It has 4 types of variation, primitive, body centered, face centered and centered. Here A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. Fourth type of unit cell is hexagonal. It has only one variation, primitive. In case of this, A is equal to B but not equal to C, but alpha beta is equal to 90 degree, gamma is equal to 120 degree. Fifth category is rhomboedral or trigonal. It has only one variation, that is primitive, and A is equal to B is equal to C, but alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma but not equal to 90 degree. Sixth category is monoclinic. It has 2 variations, primitive and end-centered. Here A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C, but alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. And seventh category is triclinic, and it has only one variation, primitive, and here A is not equal to B and B is not equal to C. Here alpha is not equal to beta, beta is not equal to gamma, and gamma is not equal to 90 degree. In total, these are 14 types of Bravais lattices. So this is all about crystal lattice and unit cell. Thank you.